The heart of every finely crafted fountain pen is the nib, stamped out of carefully selected gold ribbon, shaped and embellished. The crown of the nib is its tip. This is made of iridium, a metal of the platinum group. Welded with great care to the nib, ground and painstakingly tested again and again. Then the nib is worked up to a brilliant shine. Small particles of porcelain grind it smooth before it is polished to a high gloss by tiny balls of copper. With great concentration and an eye for characteristic details, the multitude of process steps are carried out that are necessary before the nib can be regarded as finished. The material that the sleeve of the pen is made from is high-purity cotton, processed into cellulose. From this, high-grade resin is extracted in a very special process. Costly pearlescent and color pigments are added to it in accordance with a secret recipe. The way the individual pearlescent pigments align themselves produces very characteristic flow patterns. Unique sheen effects are created. Thanks to its individual design, every sleeve is an unmistakable one-off piece. A very elaborate procedure is used to arrange millimeter-thin strips in a symmetrical sequence. The familiar Pelikan black and green sleeve looks imposing and yet at the same time impressively restrained. Many process steps of great precision are required to bestow such a costly appearance upon the noble sleeve. Special machines are used to inject a layer of highest grade artificial resin as an interior lining for the barrels. In the profile milling process, a diamond tool is used to give the surface the desired contour. The cap rings coated with precious rolled gold are non-detachably bonded to the cap in injection molding machines. The assembly of the cap is completed by the addition of the Pelikan trademark. Unique and unmistakable, a truly characteristic detail. The spindle, plunger, filler knob, and solid brass connecting piece are all indicative of the most superior quality. The synthetic material of the feed is subjected to ultra-high temperature treatment to make it snuggle up closely to the nib. This guarantees an extremely precise flow of ink. Afterwards, every individual nib is carefully examined and is finely adjusted to ensure that it gives its user pleasure for a whole lifetime. Years of training and experience are required to carry out this highly demanding work. Assembled by hand, pen for pen, using traditional craftwork methods, and painstakingly inspected after every production step. The Pelikan fountain pen is a masterpiece of harmonious design and consummate technical precision.